Hi, this is Jenna with Keyless Entry Remote. I am here to show you how to replace a key fob battery. The key fob I am showing you today is compatible with a 1991 to a 1995 Pontiac Bonneville. The part number, which is located on the back, reads 25602667. To open the key fob, all you need is a screwdriver. At the top of the key fob is a little slit where you can place the screwdriver in, kind of just give it a twist and it pops open. The two batteries are located here. You can just slide them out like that. And the battery for this key fob is CR2016. Now to replace the batteries, make sure that the positive side is face down as indicated on the key fob. And then you just snap it back together. And it's all done. If you need to order a replacement battery or an actual key fob remote, visit us online at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100. Again, visit us online at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100.